Hello friends, welcome back to the AI bot channel and welcome back to the playlist of Raspberry Pi. So today we are going to download the VS Code editor for our coding purposes. So let's see how we can download the VS Code from Pi apps. For Pi apps, you can visit the link inside the description box. So you have to open the Pi apps first. After that, search VS Code and press enter. After pressing enter, the first thing is open that VS Code, and for installing you have to click on install. Now the installing of this VS Code is started. Now let's see how much time it will take. Now VS Code started. So now it is done. Installing is in process. Addition is in process. Okay, so the installation of VS Code is completed. Now let's check where the VS Code application is for the programming. So when you click on programming, the VS Code is here. You have to click on VS Code, and after clicking on it, the welcome wizard will be shown on display. Mm, You can choose this theme from here. So I will choose black one. So for languages, first of all, extension, browse language extension. In extension, you can type Python. So in my case, it is installed, but now you can click on install. The installation process will start. So now, after installing the Python extension, we are going to make our first code. So for first code, you have to make a folder. You can make a folder inside the file manager, or you can make a folder on a desktop. So I'm going to make a folder on desktop, by codes. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to open it with Visual Studio Code. So we are going to add to desktop the Visual Studio Code. I'm going to add the Visual Studio Code on desktop. Now we have to drag this folder inside the VS Code, and VS Code open this bytecodes on a display. So now inside it, we are going to write our first code. So the first code name will be hello.py. So py extension is for Python. So press enter and write down your first code. So I'm going to write here print hello a ai bot bo8. Now run this code. Here it is. So the first code is printed on a terminal. Hope so this video will work for your Raspberry Pi. Let's meet in a new video. Bye bye.